this is Megan and I am back today on April 3rd for day number 3 of video a day for my 41st birthday and also my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. So I recorded this mixed media video probably, a month ago, I think it was in March. But I never got around to posting it, and I never actually finished making the mixed media background into a layout. But I needed a video for today because I have been working tirelessly on setting up my new video space, and so I just haven't had time to actually scrapbook in my new space. But that video probably on the moving of my bedroom / scrap studio will come next week for you guys to watch. Okay, so here you can see I am using some Tim Holtz, I think it was distress paint or something like that, and it's a navy blue, kind of medium blue color. And I have had this sitting in my stash forever. So I needed to do some art therapy. I was having a really bad day / week / month / year / couple of years. And so I decided I was just going to do some mixed media. So I pulled out some, it wasn't cardstock. It was, what was it? Craft paper, but it's like the craft paper that you get when you order a kit. And so I pulled that out, and I apologize. Apparently I stepped away. I did not realize that I was going to step away for so long. I pulled some of that out because I knew it would be really durable. So my first step was to put some gesso on it. So I put some white gesso on it, and then I let that dry, and then I put the paint on it and I let that dry. So I think I'm going to come back here and I set it to the side, and I'm just going to kind of clean up my space. You're welcome for letting you watch this. I think this video is like 5 minutes long, so really it's not that big of a deal, but I figured I would just talk to you guys while I cleaned up my space. But yeah, so I just decided that art therapy would be really good for me on this day and pulled out a bunch of products. You can see all of them kind of lined up at the top. So I do 2 different pages, and for this one, I'm realizing, okay, this, I think it was Dazzlers. It was really chunky, and so I added some of the, oh dear goodness, what was it? It was the Dina Wakley Media Gloss Spray. I added some of that to it because the Dazzlers was kind of like a light blue, and so I added some of that to it and mixed it up really well off camera. And so now I am just adding some sprinkles, I believe, with the gloss spray. And it's glossy acrylic spray in white. And then I take the Dazzlers and I use one of those circle sponges. And I just put the paint or the Dazzlers on there, and I spread it all around and just do circles, like a bunch of little circles. And I actually got this idea from not a Pinterest post, from a Instagram reel that I saw someone use a balloon to do something similar. So I will post a photo of that at the end. Well, maybe I'll put it at the beginning of the layout so you can kind of see where I got my inspiration from. But basically, I just make all sorts of circles with this sponge, and I absolutely love how this turns out. And I spend a few minutes just spinning the sponge around, adding more whitish blue, and all of that Dazzlers does end up being used up. So this was really, really fun, and I totally want to do this design again. But I thought that this would be super cool to kind of show you what you can do with unexpected things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day. Bye.